and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another really cool video for you. And I have with me my niece Rayjana and my niece Brianna. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, so we have a really fun video for you today. We're gonna make face masks. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
So you literally only need 2 ingredients for this craft. So all you need is your favorite kind of icing, whatever flavor or color you want that to be. She chose pink. Why did you choose pink?
Because pink is one of my favorite colors.
It's your favorite color. What color did you choose?
Purple.
Purple. Why did you choose purple?
Because purple is my favorite color.
You know who else's favorite color is purple? Grandma. Did you know that?
Yeah, she has a lot of purple things in her room.
That's her favorite color.
Because when I saw that with Aunt Nicole, I had to sleep in her room, and she had a lot of purple things.
Purple everywhere. So do you think she need to calm down on the purple, or you think it's okay?
It's okay.
Okay, Rayjana gave you a pass, Mom. You can like your purple. So open up your icing.
It's already open.
You know what I mean. Tear the paper off, silly. Okay, take your spoon. Get your spoon, Bookie. And mix it up. Okay, so I just ran and got some milk.
We need some milk.
Because we realized the frosting was actually pretty thick, so it's kind of hard to mix up. So just grab you a little bit of milk and just pour it in there, a little bit at a time. Now be careful, because when you mix this, the milk might splash in your face. So just try to mix it the best you can. I'll hold it for you. You can use both hands if you need to, Bookie. Woo! Okay, no. I think you're doing that on purpose. What is Valentine's Day about? Do you know? No? Jonah, can you tell her what Valentine's Day about?
Being with your family.
What do you like about Valentine's Day?
Being with my family.
Duh, Auntie Nico. I just said that.
The milk is pink.
The
milk is pink.
Well, you did put it in pink frosting. That sounds about right, huh? I had this frosting in the fridge, so note to self, don't put your frosting in the fridge before you do it, or it's gonna be hard like that. Okay guys, so you can put your sprinkles in there now. What sprinkles do you want to use? That you actually have sprinkles attached to your lid, so flip it over and open it up. If you want to use those, just poke a hole in it. I got you. Nails come in handy, huh? There we go. You putting red sprinkles? Bria's like, I'm focused, huh? You want some of those? Which kind do you want?
These.
There we go. Do you want these, Bri? They're chocolate. So how old are you, Bri? Aren't you 4? 3? 4?
4.
You're 4 years old? You need help with it? And how old are you, Jonah?
I'm 7.5.
1.5. So that half counts, huh? So when do you turn 8?
Huh?
When do you turn 8?
March 18th.
Okay. Ooh. got it? Ooh, that's pretty, Jonna.
Thank you. Oh, what is that purple one? I'm gonna mix.
The purple
I'm
one?
gonna start mixing again.
Okay. So do you like having a lot of cousins?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
I can play with them most of the time.
Mm-hmm. And you have enough to where you can rotate them when one of them's getting on your nerves, right? You can send one home and pick another one, huh? She's like, you're not getting me caught up. So this is something really fun for the girls to do, you know, with mommy or auntie. You know, have a little sleepover maybe, you know, and mix up some frosting, add some sprinkles, and just put on their face. It's totally edible, and it's really fun, you know. It's messy and it's fun, and that's what it's all about. Just spending time with family.
It's kind of stretchy.
It's stretchy a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, we've switched gears here a little bit. I moved to this side because these little ladies have to apply the mask now. So they're just gonna turn their chairs around a little bit, and then Bree is gonna put Jonna's face mask on, and then Jonna is gonna put Bree's face mask.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
What do you got? You got the same thing?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What is that? That's not one. Let's try one more time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Paper, she got you. Okay, Bree, you can put it on Jonna first. Don't try not to get it in her hair, okay? Just put it on her face and don't put it in her eyes. It's cold. It's cold. Is it really cold?
Yeah.
Sit there, make sure don't go your. So of course you want to make sure that your kids have a clean face, because obviously they're going to want to eat it after they get it put on. So make sure their face is clean. You're going to get it in her mouth. Okay, I think that's good.
Oh
Oh my God!
Here, Bree. Jonna's ready.
my God!
Is it cold? And you know, because they're kids, they don't have to worry about pimples and all of that. It wouldn't be the best thing for our skin, but for theirs, you know, as long as they're not allergic to anything, it should be fine. So as you can see, this was so much fun for myself and for them, but I think they're ready to kind of eat it off now. So as always, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you comment to let us know what you think. Was this really fun to watch? And let me know if you tried it with your loved ones. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You gonna say? She's busy. So welcome back. We're gonna, ooh, I messed up. Hi guys, welcome back to Sweet Memories. Today I have for you another really cool video. So this is my niece. Ooh, I messed up.
You get lip